Hi folks, in this video I'm going to do a short demonstration of how to share a folder with students after they've given you their email addresses. So I have a folder here called Shared Folder, and I'm going to click on this little down arrow and it opens up a menu, and I'm going to go to the Share tab, and you'll see down here it says to invite people. Rather than clicking and entering each name individually, I've used a Google form to collect the email addresses. You want to emphasize when you give that Google form to whomever it is that they double check for accuracy and spelling when they submit their email addresses, because if it's not correct it's not going to work. But I'm just going to click and drag and highlight some emails now here, and then I'm going to right click and copy, and I'm going to go back to that shared folder, and I'm going to just paste the email addresses that were submitted. So if these were student email addresses, make sure that they're using the email address that your school has provided, or whatever email address, Google email address you've had the students arrange to use. I'm going to then come over here to the permissions, and depending on the folder or the document, I might want to change whether they can edit the documents that are in that folder, or edit the document itself, or just view the documents. So if you're going to use some of the documents as templates, maybe it's going to be an essay template that you want the students to fill in to scaffold that activity, you would use Can View. If it's going to be a group activity and everybody's going to be contributing to that document, then you would use the Can Edit option. You can notify by email that you've shared either that folder or document, or if it's in class and they already know that they're going to have it shared with them and you don't need to send an email, you can uncheck that box. So I'm just going to uncheck it for this purpose because I don't want to notify all of these people about it, and click Save. If you uncheck the email option, it will give you this warning, just verifying, and then you'll see all of the different individuals listed and the permissions that they have for that folder. So that's basically what you need to do to collect student email addresses using a Google form, and then apply them to the sharing permissions for either a folder or a document.